Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the emoji precisely. Look for modifiers like skin tone or gender because those change meaning. Once done, long press or use the picker to copy the exact character so you avoid name confusion. Then open an emoji reference or search tool. This is where you'll translate symbol into sense. Make sure to search the copied character itself, not a typed description. That gives you direct matches and avoids misinterpretation, which saves time. Next, search the copied emoji across multiple sources. Compare the Unicode name and database entries because names give technical meaning while descriptions explain use. Also check how platforms render it, iOS versus Android or Windows, since visuals alter perception. Read usage notes and example contexts to understand tone, playful, sarcastic, or formal. Once you compare a few authoritative sources, you'll see patterns in meaning and common misunderstandings, which helps you pick the interpretation that fits your context. Finally, decide on the meaning that best fits the sender, the surrounding text, and how the emoji looks on your platform. If ambiguity remains, ask the sender directly or default to a neutral interpretation to avoid offense. Make sure to document your chosen meaning if you'll reuse it. If things go wrong, someone misreads the emoji. Clarify by restating your intent and giving an example sentence. That resolves confusion quickly and teaches both parties how you use that emoji.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.